Hello, folks. Welcome to Tier 3 Vision. So, today we are going to start a new topic called series in our data science tutorial. So, what is series? So, the first main data type we will learn about for pandas is a series data type. So, what is a series? So, series is very similar to NumPy array. In fact, it's built on the top of NumPy array object. What differentiate between the NumPy and array from a series is that series can have access labels, meaning that it can be indexed by label instead of just a number location. For example, in array we have index location, but here you can index the number based on label. So label can be anything that you want to declare. You want to declare label as a text, you want to declare label as any sort of things. So it doesn't need to hold numeric value, it can hold any arbitrary Python object. So let's get into it. So for that, I'm importing my numpy as np and my pandas as pd. For this you have your pandas installed. So how you can install pandas? So you can do pip install and pandas. I think this we already I've already shown you an I think virtual environment video. So you can also have a look there. After that, creating a series. For creating a series, we need labels and we need a list. So as you can see, I'm declaring a label. A label can be anything. It's a list of string and it can be a list of you can say integer data type. And I'm declaring a variable my list which consists of 10, 20 and 30. Now what I'm doing, I'm just creating an array with my array object arr is equal to np.array with 10, 20 and 30, and d I'm creating a dictionary. So what is my dictionary here? D is a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 and c is equal to 30. So this is basically we are creating a series using list. Okay. Now we want to create our series using list with some different approach. So what I'll do, pd.series. So pd.series is standard for you can say creating series, and the data what I want to pass, data I want to pass this list. This list I want to pass it as data. So at the top I declared labels my list, one array and one dictionary. So when I pass this, as you can see, I have a series which have index as 0, 1, 2 and data as 10, 20, 30. Now if you want to change the index, right now we have default index as 0, 1, 2. But suppose you want to change the index, so what you can do? You can specify index is equal to that particular label. So suppose I have declared my labels as ABC. So when I pass index is equal to label, so my index will change to 1 ABC instead of 1 to 0, 1, 2. Now you can directly pass, instead of suppose I have passed here data is equal to my list and index is equal to label, but you can directly pass argument as list, and after list you can pass your labels as argument. Now you can also declare series using array. So you have passed that particular array. So arr I have declared as np of array. So it's you can say index is 0, 1, 2 and label is you can say 10, 20 and 30. Now suppose we want to create my list with dictionary, so you can create it. So suppose this dictionary I've created it here. This is the dictionary that I've created. So dictionary, what the dictionary is having? It's having key and value pair. So suppose a is my key, it's having value 10. So when I pass it on here, so my key will become index and my value will become the data. Now data in a series. So a pandas series can hold a variety of data. So as you can see, I have declared pd.series data is equal to labels. So as you can see, data we can also declare is equal to labels. So my labels is ABC, and also you can perform any kind of function inside a series. So it has even built-in function, some print and len. So if you create a series using that particular thing, it will show that some print and length are the built-in function. Now using index. So the key to using a series is understanding its index. So pandas makes use of these index names or numbers by allowing for fast lookups information. Suppose you want to check a certain information within a particular range. So through indexing you can basically sort that particular information, and you can view it on the console. Okay, so series one I'm declaring pd.series, and 1 2 3 4 is my basically values, and my index is USA, Germany and Japan. So when I'm print my series 1, so it will give me index as USA, Germany, USSR, Japan, and my value is 1 2 3 4. Now similarly I am creating my series 2. So series 2 is basically similar, but I have changed the values a little bit. Suppose I have declared as 1 2 3 4 in my series 1, but here 1 2 5 4, and I'm printing. Now if I want to print that what is the series of USA is having, so you can print index by index. You can pass index here. So what is the series of series 1 of USA is having 1. So if I'll print here, series of Germany is having, so as you can see it's 2. Now operation are also we can do based on index. So if you can do series 1 plus series 2, so you can see here Germany will have 4, so Germany 2, and here also Germany 2, USA 1, USA 1, so it will do. But Italy, so as you can see Italy it's don't have, so it will do NaN. And USSR, here I am having USSR, but here I am not having USSR, so it will print NaN means null values. So with that I think series is pretty much done. So we are going to move with the next topic, and that is pandas data frame. So pandas data frame we are going to discuss about next video. So with that, thank you so much. uh, Please do comment, subscribe, give your feedback about the videos, and please motivate me to bring some kind of a new innovative videos on this kind of innovative technology which can help you to enhance your knowledge. So please support me with this channel. Hope you guys are understanding the concept. See you with the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.